Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of ShopZPresso, which launches on the 15th of May at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this great new release from Mosh Barry, which is essentially a 3-in-1 online megastore. Now, it goes without saying, unless you've been living under a rock somewhere, you will know that pretty much most of the world is in lockdown right now, or at least coming out of it in a very restricted way. And so currently most shopping remains online. There are a few stores starting to open now, physical stores, but even when they open, a lot of people are still actually very reticent even to venture out of the house, especially if they are in one of the vulnerable age groups or the vulnerable illness categories. So because of that, for a long time to come, it was already big anyway. People are starting to change their habits. They've got, people that started shopping online for the first time during the crisis, during the lockdown, found out how easy it is, and may well never go back to physical shopping again. So the time for starting and running an e-commerce store has never been better than it is now. Amazon have recently taken on 100,000 additional staff to deal with the demand there, but even that is only actually half of the picture from ShopZPresso, because it's a 3-in-1 digital store, which means not only can you sell traditional e-commerce stuff from platforms like Shopify, you can also sell digital products from platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank, and you can even sell softwares as well, license rights to softwares. The software has also got some great additional features in that you can actually have your own affiliate program from inside the site where you can actually recruit affiliates. And also you can allow other vendors to use the platform to sell their products on your site, and you can earn a commission from that. So multiple ways to earn from ShopZPresso. It's actually a really sophisticated product. The actual stores themselves are available to download and host on your own hosting if you so wish, or you can host them on the provided hosting from Mosh and the team. So it's entirely up to you, and again, very flexible and very versatile. If that sounds like it's of interest, then listen on, because I've got some very special bonuses to give away with ShopZPresso. There are 10 of them. You can get them by clicking on the link immediately underneath this review video. Click on any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which time they'll expire. And as usual, I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are very special custom bonuses. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of ShopZPresso, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realise that the bonuses that I'm offering are particularly congruent with the main offer. So let's have a look at the sales page. Stuck in a lockdown at home, start a new business. ShopZPresso. In just 60 seconds, you can launch your own 3-in-1 online megastore that sells physical and digital products and get thousands of free buyers every day. Earn from home without going out. Replace your job income. No monthly fees during the launch week. You can sell physical, digital and software products. One megastore to sell everything. One-click import for thousands of products, get free traffic from affiliates, as I mentioned earlier, $100 to $500 a day income potential, newbie friendly, fully tested, no tech skills needed and no staff needed. Every internet marketer needs this. Now the price, it actually says 27 there, but that's the main launch price. But at the start of the launch, which as I said is on the 15th of May, if you're watching this on that day, you will be able to pick this up for $19. Okay, we're also going to have a look. This is actually a store created by ShopZPresso. As you can see, it is a pretty impressive store, folks. Pretty impressive, visually attractive and very high functionality for a one-time low price. We're also going to have a look inside the members area of the software itself, and in the training members area, which is what you get when you first pick this up and how you create your account, etc. We'll go through all of that. We'll also have a look at the funnel. So a lot to get through. So first, let's deal with these custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording is here. This is what we've just been through. about what ShopZPresso is all about. Now there's a demo video from Mosh which you should watch here. There's also a sales video over on the sales page. Demo video about 5 minutes long. I recommend obviously that you do watch it. Okay, so what am I going to give away? I'm going to give away, right, so firstly, this is the big one, folks, all right? This is a product that I am launching 1 week from today, all right? It's called Expansion. I'm launching it with Al Cheeseman. It actually says David Kirby on here now. He's no longer part of the launch because he was actually involved in another launch that clashed with it in the end. So he actually is no longer part of the team on this one, but that's by the by. So Expansion, new product from me and Al Cheeseman. What this product is, it is a great set of done-for-you funnels, all right, that create squeeze pages that you can gather email addresses on. They're gathered, saved for you in the members area, so there's no need to have an autoresponder. You can download the CSV file at any time. They will then take people to a specially created bonus page, which has got loads of great bonuses and also review videos for each of the products. All of the products are Al Cheeseman's best-selling softwares. So once they've seen the great bonuses, they'll then be taken through to the sales page. You'll have guaranteed permission to promote. So 3 products on the front end, 8 products to promote on the pro version of this with unlimited squeeze pages. It's a really, really cool product creating done for you bonus sales funnels, folks, with lead generation built in. Now, what I'm actually offering here is approval access. So I want to make this clear. As I said, this launches a week today. Now, you're not going to get access to the actual software. What you are going to get access to is the training and the members area, and you'll be able to view a demonstration of the software. Why is this important? Well, for a few reasons. Firstly, it means that you can have a look inside the site and make a decision on whether you want to actually buy this when it goes live a week from today. And you know, you will have had a feel of the product. Also, more importantly, you will have essentially a review copy of the product with guaranteed permission to promote Expansion when it launches next week. So you'll be able to do a review video and get in early, like a week before anyone else, to give a full review of the Expansion product because you'll have actually seen it. Now, because we're a week away from launch, I have to tell you, and again, this is another reason for picking it up, because it'll give you an insight into how a product develops. You will see that the members area of Expansion is not yet fully built. Now, that will be populated with all of the training and all the rest of the product information in the next few days. So you will actually see this expanding, if you excuse the pun, before your very eyes, because you'll have access to this product. It's not completed yet, but over the course of the next week it will be completed, and by that stage you'll have access to all of the training and everything except the software. So you won't get access to the software, just want to clarify that, but you will have approval access so you can fully evaluate this, and so when the product comes out next week you can then decide whether you want to pick it up or not. And of course you'll be in a position to do a really good review of Expansion and take advantage of getting your review video up there early so that it gets provenance on YouTube, and that will increase your sales when Expansion goes live a week today. So a pretty good deal, you know, you're getting in 1 week early with your better copy of Expansion, so don't miss this opportunity. That in itself is pretty good, but I'm also going to give you a massive bargain bundle, you know, completely free of charge, of 8 of my former products. And they are Cougar Commissions, which shows you pretty much everything I do in my business on a daily basis to earn $25,000 a month. Internet Marketing Alphabet, which is an A to Z of internet marketing. 1 video module for every letter of the alphabet. 26 videos packed with value. Panther Profits, which shows how to get other people to build a viral list for you. Leopard Lists, with a giveaway course that you can give away to build a huge list. Eagle Emails, learn all the secrets of email marketing. Tiger's Traffic, learn 10 great sources of free organic traffic that you can tap into at any time. Mukal Moolah, learn 5 different ways to make money online even if you've never earned a penny before. And Cashless Creator, how I built 16,000 strong membership list by giving away memberships of free to join sites. So All of that is included in my bargain product bundle. I'm also going to include 100% reseller rights to 2 of my products, Cashless Creator and Mukau Moolah. You can sell them as if they were your own products and keep 100% of commissions across the whole funnel. I'm also going to give you access to the product that I launched with John O. Armstrong, super affiliate, of course, who you all know. The lockdown formula, which I launched about a month or so ago. I'm going to give you a free copy of that to go with all of the other great stuff that I'm giving away. I hope this is becoming a no-brainer. I'm going to up the ante even more. I'm going to give you the upsell that came with Eagle emails. This was on sale for $67, folks, in the funnel. This is a great set of emails, one for every day of the year, that you can just plug into your autoresponder and go. It's full of lots of giveaway bonus items as well that are all delivered for you. It's the ultimate set of emails for an email marketing campaign. And returning to the theme of ShopZPresso, I'm going to give you this Facebook Ads e-commerce masterclass, and also going to show you 4 ways to make money on Amazon, and how to dropship on eBay with AliExpress. So 3 e-com related ones there right at the end. And of course, all the vendor bonuses that Mosh is going to give you are going to be included as well. So a huge set of bonuses there, folks, including, you know, this very special one at the top here. Be the very first person to get access to Expansion, which launches next week. So that is my bargain bundle. Let's have a look at the sales page. Not going to spend too much time on this, folks, because we've got a lot to get through anyway, but do have a look. Mosh Barry is a super affiliate. He earns 50 or 60,000 a month. It's lots of examples here. I just want to show you the bonuses. Again, it's a very lengthy sales page. Do have a look at it because it's fully featured, this this ShopZPresso. Okay, this is what you're going to get: 10x profit. It's going to be a special feature in your software that will help you make 100 times more profit, and that's called the multi-vendor license, which I spoke about earlier, which lets you charge money to other vendors for selling their products in your megastore. Secondly, paid traffic free for life. That's included. Access to a private beta tester group, unlimited premium content generator software, a royal bonus, discover how this simple blog generates 300k unique visitors, buyer traffic masterclass, automatic tube traffic software. All of that included, folks, and as I said, you can get access during the launch to this for $19, 30-day money back guarantee. All right, let's have a look then. So when you first register, you'll be taken to this page. It's the front end access. So first of all, you have to create your account, or rather, sorry, you'll be given a license key from your email, and then you use it to create your new account. And then this is where your bonus is going to be delivered. So this is your 110 times profit bonus, your paid free traffic for life bonus, your access to the beta tester group, your unlimited premium content generator software, your case study, your buyer traffic masterclass, your automatic tube traffic software. And then this is where you go through all of the training, folks. So this shows you how to register for the site. This shows you how to load affiliate products, how to set coupons, blogs, messages. This shows you how to load products. This shows you lots of other stuff as well. So everything you need is in there. The unlimited access version is in here if you've taken the first upsell, which we'll come on to in a minute. Again, you need a different key to set all of that up. You've got fast action bonuses with that upsell as well. And then after that, once you've done all the training and you understand what you're doing, you'll then go through to the main store itself, and this is where you're going to create your store. This is where you're going to add like affiliate products from here into your store. This is where you're going to upload bulk products, you know, if you're doing e-commerce. There's so much on here. There's SEO tools as well, folks. And then this is going to create you, as I said, a store which is going to look like this. This is hosted for you, as I said. If you obviously you can host this, you can download this and host it on your own hosting. But if you host it yourself, it will say shopzpresso.club/ and then the name of your store. So I could call it Tiger Store, yeah? So it'll be shopzpresso.club/ Tiger Store. That would be my address. And then you can see on here you've got all of this. You've also got a blog. Let's just click on that, where we've got like, you know, a little mini, like how to design effective arts. Read more about this blog post. There we go. So it's pretty high quality sites, folks. Frequently asked questions about us, contact us. You know, fully functional sites and really, really attractive, folks. I think this is the strongest release that Mosh has done for ages, actually. I think it's a really, really, you know, he's branched out on his own recently. It seems to suit him, I have to say, because this is a really high quality product. So that is that, folks. Let's just have a look at the upsells. So front end $19. Then there's an unlimited version, which I do recommend you take, and it's also got those 3 other fast action bonuses. That's $39. If you want everything done for you, if you're not that techy and you do want all the store set up for you, ready to go, and you just promote it, then that is fine. That is available to you for $197. If you also want done for you traffic, then that is available for another $57. Endless Profits, which is another program in Mosh's, that is $67. If you want reseller rights, it is $197 to sell ShopZPresso as your own. And then there's also white label rights, which is a major business opportunity. That's $997. Have a look at all the sales pages to see the details. I would recommend, without doubt, that you take the unlimited version, and if you're not techie, then do consider the done for you setup and the done for you traffic. And that is pretty much that, folks. If you want to pick this up with all these bonuses, including this very special one of special beta access to expansion, then click any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page for ShopZPresso. Click on the add to cart button when it opens at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time on the 15th. And then that will take you through to the members area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of ShopZPresso, and you click on the blue button to access all my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is pretty much all there is to that. I'm going to give this 5 out of 5 because it's really fully functioned, and at that price, with, you know, you would normally expect to pay a monthly fee for a site with this level of functionality. With that remaining, all that needs to be said is to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the link underneath to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and you'll be informed every time I bring out a new recording. Until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of ShopZPresso.